again, I would like to emphasize that this is an artist initiative. Nagkataon po na ang common ground namin lahat is we are all from UST. And we wanted to celebrate the 400th year with him. Ang problema is, wala silang programang ganito. So, the rector, with due respect sa university na pinanggalingan ko and sa College of Fine Arts na pinanggalingan ko, and kung saan din ako nagturo for the past ilang years, wala po silang kinalaman dito. And I think, ang gusto ko lang, point ko lang is that wala rin silang ginawa na exhibition or programa para sa visual artists, us, outside, UST, to celebrate with them. And yun lang po, and kaya we did this.
Are you particular
Sir, so what Jay is saying is that this is an independent initiative, independent of UST.
So it was not seen by the U.S. authorities.
But this is a
sin.
Yes, sir. But,
Okay.
yes, sir.
That's all.
Yes, sir. But this is
Second
a
question addressed to the.
Yes.
You said that this should be the purpose of this forum, so that you may gather all the facts, and so that the stakeholders may review them. Okay, but I don't think I can accept that statement, stakeholders. We are also the stakeholders of this institution.
That's what I meant, sir, all
That's why,
stakeholders.
and as a Tomasian, I always look for anything that is done by Tomasians. Whether basketball, matalo, manalo, I am for Tomasian. But in this particular case, I wanted to support it, to be proud of it, but I cannot be proud of it. And that's why I want to make sure that the authorities know of it, because otherwise I'm losing my faith in this, I don't want to identify myself with that work, especially if it's done by people who claim to be Tomasians.
Mr. Pacheco, we note your question, and we will then document this, and we will provide information to the University of Santo Tomas.
Thank you.
The gentleman, sir, the one wearing black, can you kindly identify yourself?
Thank you. My name is Ted Adir. I'm the president of the Muntinlupa Development Foundation. I'm not a Tomasian. Just like Leslie here, we're from UP, but I think that, and we are known to be radicals, but I think that we have been overtaken by UST here. My question is, you said that the CCP is merely a venue, okay? And being a venue, I imagine you have criteria as to where or how you will accept what you consider as a work of art. May I know if this work of art passed your criteria?
It's a work that has been being developed by the artist, no, since 2002. The artist has been in practice twice, and I don't know how to be graduated.
No, that's not my point. That's not my point. My point is, what is your criteria for...
Kasi question niya kasi yung sa, if I consider it an artwork. I was trying to answer that question about if I consider it an artwork. Anyway, my criteria. We do know that, you know, art, I try to accommodate, no, a wide range of art expressions here. I'm quite new to the US, to the CCP, no. I only joined here in 2009. But to my mind, no, so I've tried, no, to perform a function, no, so as to represent, no, a wide range of art making that we have in the Philippines right now. So
Karen, are you saying that this wide range of art making and the professional background of Medeo Cruz as an artist qualifies and answers the question of the gentleman saying that this now meets the criteria of the CCP?
It does.
it does.
Well,
The artist is a long-time practitioner. He has a good track record. He has established track record.
I'm sorry. We also had art appreciation in UP under Virgil Moreno, and she was a very radical teacher. But I don't think this would pass Virgil as art. It's precisely so because it is very offensive. I do not know what the message is here because I think art is also intended to deliver a message. And I do not understand what the message is in this case. I mean, if, for example, not to offend you, if I see I have a picture of a relative of yours, and then do something which is very offensive, I don't think you will consider that as art. I mean, again, this is not debate. I'm just expressing my sentiments here. And I think that really the word you used was incendiary. You have, and by coincidence, the title of the exhibit is Kulo. And it has really reached a boiling point. And again, I don't understand what the basis was in accepting this word. Thank you.
Sir Ted, we note your comments. Yes, sir, the gentleman at the back.
Been raising my hand.
I'm sorry, sir. You're next. You're next. Siya po kasi hindi niya binaba yung comment.
Magandang hapon po.
Sorry po.
Ako po si Dr. Primitivo Chua, isang manggagamot. Hindi po ako nagtapos ng medisina sa UST. Nagtapos po ako sa UST ng liberal arts. No? And yung po tinatanong na pinag-usapan kanina could be partly answered because I have here the Presidential Decree number 15 which created the CCP and tell us what is the duty of CCP to the public, and this duty is as follows. Nakalagay po rito to awaken the consciousness of our people to our cultural heritage and to encourage them to assist in its preservation, promotion, enhancement, and development, and also to cultivate and enhance public interest in appreciation of distinctive Philippine arts in various fields. And the mission statement of CCP, for the information of everybody here, which I have a copy, the Cultural Center of the Philippines nurtures and promotes artistic excellence. Excellence po ba yung nakita nyo? Filipino aesthetics. Aesthetic kaya yan. Identity and positive cultural values towards a humanistic global society. Yan ang sabi nila. And CCP also made a performance pledge to take pride in the continued promotion of artistic excellence, cultural values, Filipino aesthetics, and national identity towards a humanistic global society. Siguro dito lang sa statement ito, alam na ninyo kung ano yung ginawa nyo. Nakakahiya po ito yung aking ginawa nito. Nakakahiya. Pero I must tell you, I am 76 years old. I am a medical doctor. I have seen enough of the human organs. Pero itong ginawa ninyo dito, kabastusan, kalaswaan, mahiga kayo. Saan kayo makakita na nandyan yung rosaryo, nandyan ang krus, binalabanan pa ninyo ng kondom. Ano ba kayo?
Sir, Intindihan natin, this is a very emotional and passionate forum. Thank you very much for expressing your passion. We would, however... Like, however, caution you. Easy lang po.
Easy lang po tayo. Opo.
Hindi nyo pwede sabihin easy lang dahil yung pinaggagawa nyo rito, hindi gawa ng Pilipino yan. Gawa yan ng demonyo.
You may
Let's take a moment of pause. Okay, sandali lang.
May I speak now?
Yes, sir.
Just to cool things down?
Yes, please.
May I also say that while Mr. Curator has been talking about so many things regarding the different exhibitions here, talking about the different arts which are nice and acceptable and admirable, but he never mentioned about that particular thing which is the purpose of this gathering here. And we